Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about a module called resource planning or material resource planning in TranZact. It's one of the advanced modules that is used by companies who want to plan what all items they need to purchase according to the orders they have received or the processes they are running. Okay, so as I said, MRP module is used by companies who are a bit advanced in nature or they have some sophisticated processes in place. So there are four distinct ways by which company can determine what all raw materials or what all materials they need to purchase. First is on the basis of the minimum stock inventory, minimum stock level that they want to maintain for items in the company. Next, on the basis of orders that they have received. So for example, they have received an order of say 10 finished goods. Then for making those 10, how much raw material do they need to purchase? So that planning they can do. They can also do the planning according to the processes that they are running. So for example, there are 3 processes ongoing in a company and they want to plan that to complete this process, how much material they want to buy. And finally, if they want to calculate on an ad hoc manner that, okay, to produce 1 unit of finished good, how much raw material they need to purchase for according to a particular form, that also they can do. So there are various things that we take into consideration while calculating this. So first is how much quantity is mentioned in the bill of material or the process. Then how much current stock is already present in the company. Then if certain quantity of an items are blocked for other processes. Then how much purchase order have already been placed and they are still pending and items have not been received. Then there are certain items which we have received but GRN has not been done. Then there are certain items for which GRN has been done but approval is pending. So all these things are taken into consideration while finding out how much materials need to be ordered. Okay, so this is the MRP module or resource planning module. So as I discussed, you can calculate the quantity that needs to be purchased based on 4 main criteria. One is the basic material planning, which is on the basis of minimum stock level. Then on the basis of order confirmations or order received. So the second and third are same on the basis of order confirmation, just that the views are different. Then it's on the basis of the processes that are running. So if I click here, I can see all the running processes. I can select a process and I can find out how much material needs to be ordered. And finally, on the basis of finished good details. So for example, I select a bill of material which I want to produce and say suppose I want to do for 10 quantity. Once I click on generate report, I get the required quantity that's need to be ordered. So where you can see how much is in stock, how much is blocked, how much is ordered, how much QIR pending, how much approval is pending, and how much is to be ordered. So this is how companies make an estimate of how much quantity they need to order for certain items. That's it for material resource planning. Thank you.